Want to start investing but feel like you don't have enough money? The truth is, you can begin building real wealth with very small amounts if you follow the right steps. In this beginner guide, you'll learn exactly how to start investing with little money in 2026, step by step, in the safest and simplest way. Before investing, make sure you have at least a basic emergency fund. This prevents you from selling investments during emergencies and protects your long-term growth, even saving. 1 month of expenses is a strong starting point. Next, start with low-cost investment options. You don't need thousands of dollars. Today, many platforms allow you to invest with very small amounts. Beginner-friendly choices usually include broad market index funds and exchange-traded funds. These spread your money across many companies, which helps reduce risk. The real power of investing is consistency, not size. Investing a small amount every month can grow significantly over time because of compound growth. Starting early is far more important than starting big. Successful beginners avoid trying to time the market, chasing fast profits, or constantly buying and selling. Instead, they focus on steady long-term growth, which is how real wealth is built. You don't need a lot of money to begin. You only need a small start, the right investments, and consistent patience. Start simple, stay consistent, and let time build your wealth. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Grow Your Wealth for simple step-by-step finance guides, and watch the next video to learn whether index funds or stocks are better for beginners in 2026.